Do you want to make money online? There are several ways to do so, and this is by no means an exhaustive list, but it'll help you get started. Remember that not all methods will suit everyone. The key is to find something that fits your personality and interest. There are many ways to make money online. Some people make money by selling products or services. Others make money by doing online surveys, live streamings, writing articles, or by blogging. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about 10 ways to make money online. But before we start, do consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell to watch more of our exciting content. Let's get started. Number 10. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer. The biggest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory. They act as the middleman. You can run a successful dropshipping business right from your laptop without making any major investments. The largest expense you'll face is advertising, but that's a budget you can scale as your store takes off. Dropshipping's popularity is steadily expanding, according to Google Trends, demonstrating its feasibility as a means to generate money online. Number 9. Print on demand. Print on demand is a process where you work with a supplier of white label products such as apparel, books, wall art, or other merchandise to customize those products and sell them on a per-order basis under your own brand and with your own designs. Print on demand is also becoming increasingly popular. To better monetize their creativity, graphic designers are turning to the business model to sell their designs. If you're an artist or designer looking for an interesting way to monetize your creativity, or an entrepreneur looking for an opportunity with low overhead costs, print on demand may be just the online business you're looking for. They can generate a consistent and established brand for their company with their distinctive designs. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. One of the most common ways to generate money online is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the times, but it remains to be a reliable way to earn money online. The wonderful aspect about affiliate marketing is that you can work for almost any brand, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun as an associate. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money by promoting other people's products. You can earn a commission from sales by marketing retail products, software, apps, and more if you're a skilled marketer. While a little commission may appear insignificant, remember that you may be an affiliate for multiple brands and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. If you truly want to make money with affiliate marketing online, you should concentrate on content marketing. By creating a blog with numerous pages of high-quality content, you've effectively created an asset that you can claim. The nice aspect of concentrating on content marketing is that if an affiliate program closes, you can swap your affiliate link to a competitor without losing money from your side job. Number 7. YouTube. You can make money via YouTube if others can. Ryan, a 7-year-old YouTuber who reviews products on his channel and has earned over $22 million and is also one of the highest paid YouTubers. Jeffree Star, who has made more than $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetics line that sells nearly $100 million in items each year, is another top earner. His YouTube celebrity enabled him to leverage his clout to earn money online in addition to his YouTube profits. To create a strong, dedicated audience, your YouTube channel should focus on a specific niche. You could, for example, make cosmetic lessons, broadcast video games, review items, teach skills, make spoof films, or anything else you believe will appeal to a large audience. The key to making money on YouTube is to generate material that people want to watch, whether it's educational or entertaining. To persuade people to watch, you can use a clever headline or keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. You may officially monetize your channel with YouTube advertising once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours. Number 6. Become an influencer. Making money online can also be aided by developing a personal brand. Cristiano Ronaldo earned $975,000 for each sponsored Instagram post, making him one of the highest paid influencers in the world. While reality stars, singers, and athletes may appear to be the most powerful influencers, keep in mind that even small-scale influencers can now earn more money than they could a few years ago. To become an influencer, you must first amass a sizable following. YouTube and Instagram are the easiest sites to use for this. These sites are where many of the largest non-celebrity influencers get their first taste of fame. Number 5. Create an online course. One of the most effective ways to make money online is to share your knowledge. You can monetize your knowledge by developing online courses if you're an expert on a subject. You can sell your course on Udemy, Teachable, Kajabi, or on your own website if you already have a following. With online courses, some entrepreneurs can earn up to $5,000 per month. Your best bet for creating a popular and effective course is to watch other courses on this subject. Then have a look at the feedback. What are the features that people admire? And what are the features that people despise? What makes you think you can make something better than what has already been made? Concentrate on developing content that addresses the most common complaints while also emulating the positive features that people adore. The platform on which you offer your course will impact how much money you make. It's almost as if you can set it and forget it. Perhaps you can market it on various blogs or on your own website. If the course is hosted on your own website, however, you may wish to run advertisements to promote it. You can also create an email list so that you can keep promoting future courses to the same people. Number 4. Publish a book online. It's never been easier to publish an ebook using Amazon KDP. Simply write an ebook, format it, design an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. To reduce the amount of labor you have to put into your ebook, you can hire a writer, a graphic designer to design the cover, or a freelancer to format it for you. It's better if you concentrate on keywords based on Amazon's most popular searches. You may market ebooks in a variety of ways to generate money online. For a few days, you can give away your books for free. Number 3. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the most well-known ways to earn money online. People who enjoy writing start blogs with a certain specialty in mind. A blog about procrastination, automobiles, dropshipping, toys, and other topics, for example, have a small enough emphasis to establish a loyal following, but is broad enough to cover a lot of material. You may start a blog on a variety of platforms, including Shopify and WordPress. Emphasis on extremely precise keywords with a tight focus when you first start your blog. And as you grow and dominate new spaces, extend into other but relevant categories. Number 2. Freelancing. The simplest method to generate money online is to take your present 9-to-5 job and work it from home. If you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, or other professional, you may promote your skills and find clients eager to pay you for them online. There's also an endless variety of websites dedicated to each type of freelancing job. Freelance writers, for example, can apply for employment on specialist online writing job boards, as well as general freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. If your employment doesn't offer any direct online money-making opportunities, check for other transferable abilities you may have. To make money as a freelancer online, you must first establish a great portfolio. To begin, this may include doing some free work for some renowned mid-tier brands. Once you've built up a solid portfolio, you may start pitching big clients to make more money online. Remember that freelancing is a numbers game. The more individualized your emails and applications are, the more likely you are to receive a response. Number 1. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making notion. Fortunately, there is a way to get an app developed without having to know how to code. Marketers are turning to freelance marketplaces to locate cost-effective app developers. Adding your software to Google Play and to the App Store will be your best option for making money with it. And contrary to popular belief, a free app can help you make more money than a commercial one. You may make money by adding adverts or premium features to a free app. Because the free software will attract a larger number of users, upselling them will be easy. Now with that, we're at the end of the video. If you found it interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting videos. What is your top choice for making money online? Comment below. See you again with another exciting video. Until then, bye!